The PBMA Sharks boys flag football team opened their season with back-to-back victories, showcasing grit, teamwork, and explosive plays. In their home opener on Tuesday, the Sharks defeated Somerset Boca in a hard-fought 13-7 win. The Inario brothers delivered the game-changing moments, with Alejandro Inario breaking loose on a 10-yard quarterback keeper for the first touchdown, followed by Alonso Inario's interception for return for pick 6. The defense sealed the win with a dramatic goal line stand, securing PBMA's first victory of this season. The momentum carried into Thursday's matchup Somerset Academy Wolves, where the Sharks dominated with a convincing 25-8 victory. Quarterback DeAndre Sherwood connected for 3 touchdown passes, hitting Alonso Enero, and Mason Cunningham. On the ground, Derek Jackson powered in a rushing score to cap off the offense's strong night. With a pair of wins, the Sharks improved to 2-0 on the season, setting a strong tone for the games ahead. The players, coaches, and fans are buzzing with excitement as the team proves they are a force to the reckon with this season. Let's go Sharks!
The PBMA Lady Sharks volleyball team has been battling through some close games this season, showing determination and steady improvement each time they step onto the court. The Lady Sharks are not only sharpening their physical skills but also building the essential teamwork and communication that make a strong volleyball squad. The team had an amazing home opener on September 3rd against Somerset DBK, where they lost a close first set by 29-27, won the second game by set 25-21, and lost the final set with 15-10. On screen is the team's second game at their home court against Slam on September 5th. Slam won the first set 25-23. PBMA won the second set 25-22, and Slam won the last set 15-9. The young ladies are having fun learning their volleyball skills and the lessons of perseverance, communication, and teamwork. The team hopes to get the win this Thursday against Franklin Palm Beach Gardens. Let's go Sharks!
Hello PBMA community, this is Brandon Nagasar for the Wavemakers, bringing you closer to the action and stories happening within our school community. FAST is a state-mandated assessment that measures student progress and mastery of skills in various subjects. It's designed to provide teachers, parents, and students with valuable insights into academic strengths and areas for improvement. For students like Samuel and Abraham, our 8th graders, achieving a level 5 from last year demonstrates exceptional academic performance and mastery of skills. It's a testament to their hard work, dedication, and commitment to excellence. Now let's hear from Samuel and Abraham about their experience with FAST and what it means to them. We're joined here with Abraham and Samuel to tell us about their experience in taking the test from last year's PMs. Congratulations on achieving a level 5 in your FAST ELA. What do you think are the most important skills or knowledge you've gained through your academic journey? And how has FAST helped you develop those skills?
Alright, so I learned a lot about punctuation, context clues, how to analyze text, importantly definitions. You really want to analyze your text a lot when you're doing a FAST test.
Me personally, I learned how to use figurative language in day-to-day life, and it basically helped me analyze things more, and I think it really helped me. So yeah.
How do you think FAST has impacted your learning experience? Have you noticed any benefits or challenges?
So I was able to learn what my reading style was and how to use it in my ELA classes.
I agree with him, but I eliminate my answers, and yeah, that's how it helps me.
What advice would you give to students who may be struggling with FAST or feeling anxious about the assessment?
So I would study the night before, maybe have a good breakfast in the morning, whatever makes you feel less anxious.
I would say the same thing that he did, but for me, I would like take a deep breath and take your time.
Looking back, what do you think has contributed most to your success? And how do you plan to continue challenging yourself academically?
I think my ELA classes challenged me the most, and I'll just continue doing the work my teacher gave me.
Me too. I think it really helped me, and my ELA classes also helped me as well.
Thank you, Ibrahim and Samuel, for sharing your experiences and insights with us today. Your achievement is truly commendable, and we're proud to have you as part of our school community. We wish you continued success in your academic journey. This time, we're highlighting a story of growth and perseverance. We're here with Sabrina, who went from a low yellow level all the way up to a level 5 in the PM3. Sabrina, how does that feel?
Honestly, great, especially since I went from such a low level to a high level. It gives me a lot more self-confidence in my abilities, and it really feels like an ego boost. So, yeah.
What helped you improve so much?
Um, well, in my freshman year when I got that low level yellow, I wasn't doing the best I can. I definitely tried to make more of an impact with that my sophomore year. I definitely spent a lot of my time with my education and studying, and when the test came up, I definitely studied a lot. So I think that helped.
What advice do you have for other students?
Honestly, if you're a lot like me, I'd suggest to prioritize your education. I'm someone who gets distracted a lot and often loses focus on what I'm supposed to be doing. But if I prioritize what I know I need to prioritize, it helps me a lot more. I set my education first. I set school first when it comes to tests, uh, and it's never failed me. Honestly, just study and listen to your teachers. My teachers helped me a lot, and yeah.
Thanks, Sabrina. Your story really proves that perseverance and effort makes a difference. Congratulations on all your success.
Thank
That's
you.
it for today's Wave Makers. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible. Again, this is Brandon Aguilar for the Wave Makers. That's